Welcome to Null Byte, YouTube's home for ethical hacking with almost 1 million subscribers strong. From Cody Kenzie's legendary Cyber Weapons Lab episodes to deep dive guides on Wi-Fi jamming and drone spoofing, Null Byte has spent years making complex information security skills accessible and hands-on. And now it's time to expand, and Null Byte is looking for new creators to help us do it. If you know your way around ethical hacking, building your own Linux distro, or breaking down exploits step by step, and you can teach it to others, we want to see your work. In this role, you'll write, record, and host tutorials that teach aspiring ethical hackers everything from Linux basics to Wi-Fi hacking and more. What we're really looking for is creators who can craft engaging, well-researched tutorials, turn technical topics into clear visual stories, and bring energy, expertise, and accuracy on camera. So whether you're an educator, engineer student, or hobbyist, if you live for information security and you love to teach, show us what you got. All you have to do is click the link in the description to get started. Join Null Byte and help build a smarter, safer digital world, one video at a time.